Congratulations on your purchase of the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar, a brilliant watch with endless possibilities. Let's take a closer look at how to set up your watch and how to navigate through the functions. Power on your watch by pressing the crown for at least 5 seconds. In order to make full use of your T-Touch Connect Solar, you need to pair it with your smartphone first. Quickly press the crown. The watch will then ask if you want to pair it with your phone. To pair, make sure Bluetooth is activated on your smartphone. Set the correct date on your watch to enable pairing. Your watch will now prompt you to download and install the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar app, available on the App Store and on Play Store. In order to allow the phone to connect to the watch, sign in or create an account on the app. Make sure the displayed pairing codes are the same before you approve. You're now given the option to choose whether you want to set a password for your watch or not. The password adds a complementary security level to the watch and protects your data in case of loss or theft. If you choose to set a password, use your watch face to enter your desired password. Make sure your password is at least 6 digits long. You can use the lower pusher to correct your entry if you make a mistake. After that, repeat the password to confirm. Wait until your watch is finished configuring, then the setup is complete. Your watch is now ready to use. Now that you're all set, let us show you some of the amazing functions of the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. To activate the tactile crystal, press the top pusher for half a second. You can now select the desired function by touching the tactile crystal. You can also use the crown to navigate from one function to another. To return, use the lower pusher. Once connected, pop-up notifications from your smartphone, such as calls, will be displayed on your watch as well. Under Connected, you can see the history of notifications from your smartphone. Want to track your run? Under Activity, you can see the activity tracker, the calories burned, and the distance traveled. Got lost in the wild? You can use the navigation function to display the compass. Like all electronic compasses, the compass of the watch needs to be calibrated in order to guarantee its precision. These are just a few of the functions the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar has to offer. By the way, even if the T-Touch Connect Solar is not connected to your smartphone, most of its functions are still available. Our software will be updated regularly and new functions will be added. You can check the app for updates. For more information about the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar, visit our website.